Hey beauties, it's Riri and I just received my CHIC beauty box for March and April. Alright beauties, if you're unfamiliar with the CHIC beauty box, this is a bi-monthly makeup subscription box for $34.99. This was gifted to me by CHIC Beauty Box, so thank you so much for gifting. And of course I will link their Instagram and everything down below. I have never tried the CHIC beauty box, but I've been following them since like 2018 or 2019. So it's not that I have not wanted to try the box, I have so much stuff. And at one point, y'all, I used to get like 9 subscription boxes. So yeah, I'm very excited. The boxes that I've seen in the past, I think they have really well curated boxes. So I'm excited. I will note I already have a spoiler because it was packaged like this. So I did see the palette. So we'll go ahead and open this together. So first up is the Ace Beauty, the Paradise Fallen palette. And I will say the unit carton looks absolutely stunning. And if the cover is indicative of what's on the inside, then it's probably going to be a beautiful neutral pinky purple palette, I'm going to guess. And the packaging on the inside looks the same. And, oh, this is pretty, y'all. Ooh, it has a good substantial mirror. And here is our color story. Neutrals with tons of purples, but I love the variations of the purples in here. Ooh. I'm excited, and I don't always do purple, even though they're a brown eye beauty's best friend. I'm just saying, I don't usually keep them, but I'm keeping this for myself, and I'm going to be selfish this time around. I'm excited to have that. That is incredible. Ooh. And then here's our little package. And this is the box for March, April, and then it does tell you, I don't want to look at it yet, but there are different variations. Next up, I see a brush. This is from Abella, Pierre, and I would use this as like maybe like a powder brush or something like that. It seems quite soft, not quite as densely packed as I personally would like, but it seems nice. Next up is the Estate Lip Thirst Buildable Lip Color in the shade Pina. Or maybe Pina. Hopefully I'm saying that right, y'all. I do want to see what it looks like, and you guys know nothing goes to waste here on my channel. If I do receive items in PR, then they always go into a Pay It Forward Friday or a Pay It Forward pile, and I give them away to you guys. Cute little packaging. Oh, I feel like it's a lip balm. It almost reminds me of like the Clinique Black Honey. Should we try some on top of this? Ooh. Ooh, that feels quite comfortable. Definitely more of a balm consistency. And it has a tiny little bit of a sheen to it. I think that's beautiful, and I think it'll be complementary to the palette as well. So, all right, I'm loving that. Next up is a Revlon Color Stay Brow Tint in the shade Soft Brown, and it's waterproof. I've never tried theirs. I'm excited. You guys know I am definitely a brow pen fan, so I'm definitely intrigued by this. And they do a blend of like indie, standard makeup, and then also drugstore, which I also really love and appreciate. And then the last thing in my box is the Give Them Lala Beauty. I'm the Powerful One Cream Blush. Oh, I'm also a sucker for cream blush. Oh, very pretty. It is a very deep berry shade, which I think also could be very complimentary to the rest of our products. I'm gonna try this too, y'all. Look, I know I already have makeup on, but why the heck not? I'm going to go in with kind of a like looser packed brush and lightly tap in because I don't know how pigmented this is going to be, so I'm a little scared. And then I take it to the back of my hand just to shear it out so I don't get too much product. And then I'll go in because I have a feeling, oh yeah, it's very punchy. But this way, if you kind of shear it out on your hand first, you can kind of decide the level of opacity. So definitely incredibly pigmented. You can see kind of in comparison to the other blush that I had on, but oh, that's gorgeous. And you could also like really shear it out if you wanted to and put just a tiny, tiny little bit. I will also note too, if you do go a little heavy handed, like for me right now, this is obviously a little bit too deep, but definitely rock it in the summertime. But for right now, because it is a little bit deep, I'm going to go in with my foundation brush that I used a little bit ago. And I'm going to softly diffuse just so that it tones it down a little bit. So it's a little bit more wearable for me. That is super beautiful. It has a slight dewiness to it, a slight little bit of tackiness to it, but on my hand already it's completely dried down. So I'm going to assume that it maybe dries down a little bit more matte than this. So we have our blush, we have our lip balm, we have our brow tint, we have a brush, and we have the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 5 yellow hearts, y'all. The only thing is that this brush is not quite as like thick and fluffy as I personally would like. Again, that's personal preference. I am super duper excited about this box. Do you get the Chic Beauty box? Have you been on the fence? What did you think about this particular box? I think it was a home run. I love most of what's in this box, and I will 100% be using it. So I'm excited. Thank you again to Chic Beauty Box for gifting. I really do appreciate it. They are going to be linked down below. That's it for today. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.